binuang kang rabira ka, magbuot-buot ka. Pero gusto ko yun, oh. Yung ito. Please, if you are watching, please leave a comment. Intindihan nyo naman yun, guys. So, it's very unfair. Good morning! Good morning, guys. Ano nang oras ba? Let's see. I think it's 10 something o'clock. So, plano ko lang. Mag-ano lang ako, guys. I'm gonna go early out. Punta ako sa Target para bumili ng bra. Sports bra kasi gusto ko yung sports bra. At saka, kasi doon ko nabili yung isang bra ko. And I don't like to go to Walmart to get bra because I don't like the bra. I've been looking around. So, alam nyo naman na meron akong bra. Pero dalawa lang yung pabalik-balik kasi yun ang paborito ko. At saka yun ang hindi masakit. Tignan nyo ito, guys. Dimples is there too. Anyway, so yun. Tignan nyo. The three of you. Hindi pa matay yung biyanan ko. And I have to go early because there's no traffic. And I still have to edit videos. At saka ano pa ba. So yun, Sunday ngayon, guys. So bukas, maaga kami bukas para hatid yung biyanan ko sa ano. Katulad din mga disim routine lang yung guys yung mga ginagawa ko. So huh? Hi guys, hello guys. Hello. Anyway, I'm heading to Target. Kailangan ko lang kumuha ng bra. I think I told you already. Kasi kailangan ko ng bra. Oy, syaka. Ito ni binuang kang rabira ka, magbuot ka. Ito yung mga hinahanap ko, guys. Yung ano, yung mga lamp. Pero ang mahal naman, oy. Maganda siya, pero tignan natin sa kabila. Pero gusto ko yun, oh. Yung ito. Tignan natin. 100 of course. Mahal. Marble kasi, ah. Okay. Mahal. Hi guys, I am here, guys. Andito ako ngayon sa ano, sa sasakyan. Kasi, ang tawag nito, I was out already from Walmart. Oh no, from Target. And then when I went to Target, ang nakaano guys, na ano ako guys, oy, nagbumili ako ng bra, diba? So akala ko yung bra na binili ko, no, it says in the it says in the card over there in the display that it's 3 for 18 bucks. Okay? But they don't do it. Like, I don't know, maybe you need a card to get that freaking saving things, whatever. So I end up getting 3 for, like, you know how much each? It's a freaking $14 each. Oh, no. I cannot buy freaking bra for like that expensive. That's why I end up always buying bra in the Philippines because of this here. And also, what else? I'm already here at ShopRite. I'm out already. I pick up something for dinner, and that's really it. So that's it. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the house, and I cannot even eat my snacks because my hand, I was touching meat, raw meat, like pork. So anyway, guys, I will see you later in the house. Bye-bye. Oh, ito yung nabili ko sa ano. Waffle maker. Saka cereal para sa matanda. Cereal. And para sa kanya. And ano pa. Yun lang sa ShopRite. Ito mga pagkain. Yun lang. Ito guys, shampoo sa aming dalawa na mag-asawa kasi ito yung gustong shampoo namin, look. For men, fresh 2-in-1. Yeah. 2-in-1, that means 2 kami. Isa-isa kami, pero 2 ang resulta. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 in 1. Oh, ito yung bra na nabili ko, guys. Sobra akong disappointed. I mean, hindi naman disappointed sa price na dinisplay nila. Kaso parang wala akong ito din, washcloths for here upstairs for me and Tommy. It's yellow, I know. It doesn't match everything. I like colorful. Not really. Ito yung bra na to, guys. Yan, ito. Maliit siya. At saka gusto ko tatlo kasi sabi 3, 4, 18 bucks. And merong black, purple, black, at saka yung tan. Ito. Yeah, so ito. Yeah, guys. 3 siya. And yun lang. So yun lang. Magbihis lang ako, guys. At saka kita-kits later. Okay, guys. Gutom ako, guys. Gutom ako. Hindi na lang ako kakain ng rice. Para naman, magluto na lang ako ng maaga. So, magluto na lang ako ng maaga, guys. Para maaga kaming kakain. Kasi hindi na ako kakain ng rice. Ano na lang yung kakainin ko, yung Oreos. Ay, bang your head, bag. Ay, bang your head. Ay, bang your head. No. Where is your sister? Look, tignan niyo yung kahoy, guys. Pula na. Nagpula na siya. Diba? Ganda. Sobra na siya. Sobrang ganda in person. Hold on. Tignan na. Yan ang color. Anyway, guys. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. See you night. See you night. Go, girl. You don't even sit up. You stand up. Sit up. Oh, you too. Anyway, guys. Good night, guys. Hi, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. This video, I insert this to this video that you watched before, and then I will insert this clip to that. This is about the winner and a few shout-outs that I've been collecting. So I collect shout-outs. So I'm gonna do insert shout-out. Why is it here on my camera? I'm collecting shout-outs. I'm not doing shout-outs every day, but I collect it all. Once I collect few of you guys, then I will insert the shout-outs to one of my vlog. So anyway, so let's go insert shout-out. First of all, I would like to say hi to my viewers. Silent viewers, always appreciate your time, guys. I always appreciate your time that you give into my channel. Sa mga nag-comments, thank you guys so much. Shout out kay I love Fubi, and this is she want me to shout out her baby boy, si Zeus. It's really hard to pronounce the name, guys. Hi sis, ang hi sa baby mo. Thank you for watching. And shout out kay Evelyn Carretero. Hi sis, thank you for watching, sis Evelyn. And also shout out kay Edita Hamada. Hi sis Edita. Pabati daw, advance happy birthday. Maybe this is already late sa cousin niyang si Noemi Kumon. Hi, belated or advance? Advance or belated? I'm sure this is belated. Belated happy birthday, Noemi Kumon. Hi, this is from Annalyn Gabor. Hi guys, thank you for watching. And also shout out kay Jane 082017. And also shout out kay Remedios Gato. And also advance happy birthday kay Chita Lo Chavez, December 31. Yes, it's really advanced. Happy advance birthday, sis. Also shout out kay Rachel and Herbie, the fat ass. Inday Garotay. Hi guys. And also guys, shout out kay belated happy birthday kay Blue Daisy. Hi. Shout out to Arcely Lifestyle. Hi sis, thank you for watching, sis. I would love to shout out to Philam. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And shout out to Amir Dimana. Hi sis Amir. Shout out si Arlene Malahakan. Hi sis Arlene Malahakan. But anyway, I would like to say guys, sa winner, diba nagpag-giveaway ako. Sa winner, to the winner, Mylene Miles. She doesn't response me, but I will give her another week because it's been a week already. So I'm gonna give her 1 week, and then after that I will do another you know, winner. I'm gonna pick another winner. So Mylene Miles, sis, if you are watching, please leave a comment or go to my Facebook account and leave me a personal message. You know, it's not about the it's not the price that I gave to you guys. It's not like vungacious like other vloggers, but you know, if you don't like it, you can give it to your friends, you can give it to your family, you know what I mean. But if you are not responding in 1 week late, because it's already a week, it's already 1 week from the video that I made, and when I announce the winner, I will wait for you for another week, and then after that I'm going to pick another winner for my first ever giveaway. But anyway guys, because it's unfair naman sa mga nanonood talaga ng video ko. Intindihan nyo naman yun guys. So it's very unfair sa ibang viewers ko na hindi sila nanalo at saka andun sila palagi at saka, you know, so if you are really my viewers and you're watching, or maybe you're just like what Tammy said, maybe you're just busy. But anyway guys, so yun lang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so freaking much. And if you wanna see my Roxy, she's right there cleaning her whatever. Roxy? Good girl. She's just lying down over there. Misty guys, Misty, it's in the dining area. She's lying down on her bed because she loves that bed. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I appreciate it so much. Bye bye.